Last year I had a couple who came. They were actually on their honeymoon, but they were here as to walk in the shoes of the grandfather, his grandfather.
I had a couple who were celebrating their golden wedding anniversary. Very proud to wear the tartan.
And the first thing they asked me when I met them, which was quite unusual, was where was the GPO?
On every occasion that we stopped at castles, he would don the kilt.
It turned out that his grandfather, he told me, was shot outside the GPO, he said.
And people would come over and speak to him, and he was really proud.
He wanted to know how would they get there. Now they were only around the corner. They happened to be 5 minutes away from the GPO, so they were delighted with that.
I had an Australian gentleman on tour.
I suggested that they get a book which had all of the members, everybody that was in the GPO at the time.
He was 76 years of age. It was his first visit to Ireland, and he had Irish ancestors.
And he's named in the book. And we're happy. They went off to Galway, after that.
And he took the trip to Ireland to get a tattoo of Ireland. So at 76 years of age, he got an Irish tattoo, so that was interesting.